guys.
Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential, I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit.
So, leave natin siya for about 7 minutes. 7 minutes lang guys. So, yan, meron siyang yan, titignan natin. We'll be back 5 minutes. So, salamat.
Few moments later.
So yan guys, naka more than 7 minutes na siya. So kailangan na natin banlawan, baka ma-over naman. Kaya tabayanan nyo kung anong resulta sa shampoo na yan. Yan, see you later.
Few inches later.
So hello guys, ito na yung result niya. Nakita mo, compare sa kanina, mga around 7 minutes. So pag naka-10 to siguro baka magda-darken pa siya. Tignan mo yung result. And satisfied ako. Kaysa doon sa mag-hair dye ka. Tapos maganda gamitin. Hair darkening shampoo. Easy and quick to use. So totally siya sa isang box. 10 sachet. Just clearly na hindi ito sponsor na ko lang nakita lang ako namin. Pero maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, do subscribe. Libre lang naman po yan. Pero maraming salamat sa pagkatabayan sa aming channel, Mars and Ting. Please subscribe, like, and share. So, bye-bye!